Power target trades, power trigger trade. All right, people, power trigger trade here. OSTK is something I like. I'm watching. OSTK is set up to test 90 to 95. It could go even higher, but those are good targets for me right now, anyways. The January 1980 or 85 calls could be used. Now, OSTK needs to, I will explain inside the video, but in this case, people, I will not be explaining this inside the video. I will be explaining it in a chart format inside of Power Group Trades. But before I do that, let's talk about this trade. So you can see here are the, you can see today there was 1.9K options traded for these January 1880 calls for this OSTK. Okay. Let's go to Yahoo for a second. All right, so here we are at the Yahoo Finance, and OSTK closed at 77.80. Here's the January 19 calls, and these are something I'm looking at. I mean, I could change my mind depending on, you know, if we confirm or not. I'll get to that information later. But, you know, like you can see here, today there was 1,858 contracts bought. Yes, these are expensive options. That's why I gave, and this could make a good move. These two options could be used. I prefer these ones, but these two could be used. All right, people, so as you know, here's Power Trigger Trade on Twitter. So I'm going to be showing you some information. I'm going to talk about the confirmation a little bit later, where the confirmation is going to be, and you know where the other part of the plan is. But you see, there's a video here. Now I'm going to post the video inside this video as a link. You'll see it, like it'll open up with, you'll see a picture of me, and then you can see a video. You want to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well, but you want to study this video on how to become a serious follower on Power Group Trades, it's called. Now, Power Trigger Trade, I post stuff on here, and you know, live streams on YouTube. Okay, let's go to the YouTube channel now, people. All right, people, welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post great detailed plans. Yeah, huge wins. Check out this video here. 600% gains in 3 days. Check out this plan. CVX, well, you know, it shows 150% gains, but anyways, you want to study this channel, and you know, you want to study this created playlist. You want to be a subscriber. If you don't have a YouTube account, open up one and subscribe manually. I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe. I also have a website you can check out. Let's check out my website. You can take a look at it. We'll cut back here. So here we are. Power Target Trades. Confirmation is key, people. And here I got to change this video because this is, you know, these are, it's just an example of my gains. Of course, this was posted, and all the information you'll see is explained. Nothing out there, no one explains things like yours truly, Power Trigger Trade, but you want to be a serious follower to witness the power, people. Yeah, look at this nice website. Yeah. Press pause. February 11, 2016. You know, I made a reversal plan. You know, people, maybe so many people were bearish. And of course, the market never looked back since. It's Power Trade, people, the big picture expert. You heard that right, people. Subscribe to this wonderful website here, people. All right, people, so welcome back to Power Target Trades. Again, people, make sure you study the created playlist. And again, I'm going to be posting inside of Power Group Trades. And I'm going to show, again, this video is going to have the link how to become a serious follower. If you want to know more information on this SOTK. I'm going to try this kind of format as well. Power Trigger Trade, you know, I've been posting a lot of great plans on Power Trigger Trade, and we're going to still be doing that. But if you want to know a lot more of my ideas. You want to become a serious follower on Power Group Tradespeople. And of course, you'll find that on Twitter by typing it in the search. But I'm going to show you this video here, how to become a serious follower. You follow the instructions, word, listen carefully, people, word for word. I will know if you do or not, people. There's a lot of clowns, people that are not going to be successful in the market. If you're not able to follow my instructions in my group, believe me when I tell you, you have no chance in hell in making money in the market. None. Power Trade tells it how it is. You can either follow my instructions or vavasum avavum. You know how it is, people. Anyways, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Follow the instructions, listen to what I explain in this video, and all your answers will be answered. Thanks for listening. Well, let's see what I say here. Alright, people. Now that we just finished watching that great detailed video, don't forget to look at my banner. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out my creative playlist. Make sure you study before taking action on Power Target Trades. Every plan that I make has great detailed instructions. And I put my heart and soul in it because I want my subscribers and followers to make great money in the markets. But you have to study, people. Let me show you a way to subscribe. Let's see a picture of me around here in a circle format. Simply click on it and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget, people, at the end of the video to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like